How to earn money online. There are thousands of videos which claim they'll help you to earn online money. Hi, I'm Sunny and working as an IT professional, and I have trained many people with tech skills for which they are earning a regular income. I'll tell you some key things through which you will be able to earn money online. The key thing is the money should be regular income. It should be always regular and it should be passive. The third, it should have financial freedom and you should also have time freedom. Income which you can leave your 9 to 5 job. If you're looking for a quick money tutorial, this video is not for you. However, if you're looking for a regular income, a continuous income in a genuine way, then definitely it's worth. So open your browser and at the very top, type fiverr.com. So it's fiverr.com. Once you open fiverr.com, it will open up like this. Now here you have many options. I want you to go through the first menu. If you're a writer, if you're a content writer, you can do a sales copy, email copy, you can write blogs for people. And if you are a video editor, then there are tons of things which you can select here. If you're a music lover, if your voice is very good, you can do voiceovers. There are many requirements. All these things are currently trending and you can earn a huge money by just making a voiceover and by just editing. If you're a programmer, you can create a website for your clients and you can earn money online. So if you're good at logo design, you can create your profile right here and start getting orders. It might take some time, 10-15 days. So just go through for a day how people are selling their services, what kind of perks they are giving, and in the same manner you can make it better. Your advertisement here that yes, I'm going to sell my services. I'm a programmer. I can do a good voiceover. I can do great VFX editings. And there are a lot of things. Even if you are a yoga teacher, instructor, you can do online tutoring, you can do fitness lessons, dance. If you're a good dancer, you can help other to learn dancing. So there are so many things which you can do right here in Fiverr. I would recommend to spend time on this website, see which niche is for you and on which niche you can work on. You can earn a good amount of money online and you don't have to do a 9 to 5 job for this. So this is a best alternative if you want to leave a 9 to 5 job and want to do a freelancing work. This is a best place to earn money. I know many people personally here who earn thousands of dollars with the skills they have got. And I'm sure you definitely have one skill which you can help others and earn money online. If you have any question, any query, if you need any help, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.